What does it mean to live rich without looking rich? Imagine having the freedom to enjoy life on your terms, without feeling the need to flaunt it. No flashy cars, no designer outfits, and no Instagram posts showing off luxury vacations. Stealth wealth is the art of living modestly while quietly building and enjoying financial success. It's not about hiding your wealth out of fear, it's about living intentionally, staying grounded, and keeping your financial freedom intact. Stealth wealth is more than just a lifestyle, it's a mindset. It allows people to focus on what truly matters, free from the pressures of keeping up appearances. For many, it's a way to protect their wealth, enjoy life on their own terms, and avoid unnecessary attention. Let's dive into how stealth wealth works, why it's a game changer, and how you can adopt it in your life even if you're not a millionaire yet. Number 1, the stealth wealth mindset. At its core, stealth wealth is about rejecting the need to prove anything to anyone. Those who practice stealth wealth understand that happiness doesn't come from material possessions or the approval of others. They value financial security and personal freedom over flashy displays of success. Living rich without looking rich means being comfortable with what you have and focusing on what truly brings you joy. It's not about being cheap or denying yourself the things you love. Instead, it's about making thoughtful decisions that align with your values. For example, someone practicing stealth wealth might live in a modest home, not because they can't afford a bigger one, but because they see no need for the extra expense or space. They might drive a practical, reliable car instead of a luxury vehicle because it serves the same purpose without drawing attention. Stealth wealth isn't about deprivation, it's about priorities. By choosing to live modestly, you can focus your resources on things that matter most, whether that's investing for the future, supporting causes you care about, or simply enjoying financial peace of mind. Number 2, why stealth wealth matters. One of the biggest advantages of stealth wealth is financial security. When you live below your means, you have more money to save and invest, which helps you build a strong financial foundation. You're not tied to unnecessary expenses or burdened by debt from trying to impress others. Instead, your money works for you, growing over time and providing a safety net for the future. Stealth wealth also protects you from judgment and expectations. When people don't know how much money you have, they can't judge you for how you spend it or don't spend it. This gives you the freedom to make decisions based on what's best for you, rather than feeling pressured to conform to societal norms or expectations. Additionally, keeping your wealth discreet shields you from unwanted attention. Wealth can sometimes attract opportunistic people or create unrealistic expectations from friends and family. By staying low-key, you can avoid these challenges and maintain control over your finances and relationships. Perhaps the most significant benefit of stealth wealth is the ability to focus on what truly matters. When you're not caught up in appearances, you can spend your time, energy, and money on things that bring genuine happiness, like meaningful experiences, personal growth, and strong relationships. Number 3, living below your means. A cornerstone of stealth wealth is living below your means. This doesn't mean cutting back on everything or living a minimalist lifestyle unless that's what you enjoy. It simply means being intentional with your spending and avoiding lifestyle inflation. For example, just because you can afford a new car every year doesn't mean you need one. Quiet millionaires often stick with practical, long-lasting vehicles that get the job done without unnecessary bells and whistles. The money saved is often redirected toward investments, education, or other goals that contribute to long-term financial security. Living below your means also applies to housing, travel, and even daily expenses. Stealth wealth practitioners often live in modest homes in comfortable neighborhoods rather than opting for extravagant mansions. This choice not only saves money but also helps them avoid the additional costs and responsibilities that come with maintaining a luxury property. Number 4, choosing quality over quantity. Stealth wealth isn't about being frugal to the point of discomfort, it's about choosing quality over quantity. Instead of buying cheap, disposable items, those who embrace this lifestyle invest in high-quality products that last. This approach not only saves money in the long run, but also reduces waste and clutter. For instance, rather than filling a wardrobe with trendy clothes that quickly go out of style, a stealth wealth practitioner might opt for timeless, well-made pieces that can be worn for years. Similarly, instead of buying flashy gadgets or furniture, they prioritize functionality and durability. This mindset extends beyond material possessions. People practicing stealth wealth often choose experiences over things. They understand that lasting happiness comes from memories and connections, not from accumulating stuff. A quiet weekend getaway with loved ones or learning a new skill brings far more joy than a designer bag or the latest tech toy. Number 5. Avoiding flashy displays of wealth. Stealth wealth practitioners know that flaunting their success only invites unnecessary scrutiny, judgment, and sometimes jealousy. They choose to keep their financial situation private, not out of fear, but to maintain control over their lives. One of the most famous examples of this is Warren Buffett, who still lives in the modest house he bought decades ago, despite being one of the wealthiest people on the planet. For Buffett, there's no need to upgrade because his home meets his needs. This approach isn't about avoiding luxury, it's about staying grounded and making choices that align with his values in today's world. Avoiding flashy displays often means being mindful of social media. While it's tempting to share every new purchase or vacation online, doing so can erode the privacy that stealth wealth provides. Keeping your financial life offline helps you avoid the pressure to live up to others' expectations and allows you to enjoy your success on your own terms. Number 6. Investing in the future. Quietly building wealth means making your money work for you. Stealth wealth practitioners prioritize investments over spending, knowing that the compounding effects of smart financial decisions will pay off in the long run, whether it's through stocks, real estate, or starting a business. Those who practice stealth wealth focus on creating multiple income streams. They're not looking for quick wins or risky ventures. Instead, they take a patient, calculated approach to growing their wealth. This mindset also extends to personal development, investing in education, skills, and experiences that enhance your earning potential or quality of life is another hallmark of stealth wealth. These investments may not be flashy, but they offer long-term benefits that far outweigh temporary luxuries. Number 7. Practicing humility. At the heart of stealth wealth is humility. People who live this way understand that they don't need to prove anything to anyone. They're secure in their success and don't feel the need to seek validation through material possessions or public displays of affluence. Humility also allows them to build stronger, more authentic relationships. When your wealth isn't front and center, people are more likely to connect with you for who you are rather than what you have. Stealth wealth is about much more than money. It's a way of life that prioritizes freedom, security, and authenticity. By living modestly, investing wisely, and staying true to your values, you can enjoy the benefits of financial success without the drawbacks of unnecessary attention or stress. This lifestyle isn't reserved for the ultra-wealthy. It's accessible to anyone willing to make intentional, disciplined choices. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or already well on your way, the principles of stealth wealth can help you achieve a richer, more fulfilling life. One that's measured not by what you show, but by the freedom you feel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.